Since it is now February, I decided to get the perfect Valentine's Day gift, the Vego Garden Bistro Set for 2. Finally, a spot to slow down and sip a morning coffee with the one you love. And the setup is a dream. It folds flat in seconds, no tools needed. It's weatherproof steel, e-coated to stop rust, and these chairs support 380 pounds. It's sturdy, reliable, and naturally beautiful. Honestly, the only thing left for the perfect Valentine's Day is someone to enjoy it with. Thank you, AI. See, it also makes the perfect durable Christmas gift, or just a relaxing spot to rest after we finish a long day of gardening. The Vego Garden Bistro Set, built for all seasons and all simulations. Grab yours at the link below.